In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a channel name in Slack. So whether you're a team leader looking to update project titles or just wanting to keep things organized, stay tuned as we explore how simple this process can be. First, you're going to open Slack either on your desktop or your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your team workspace. Now, in the left sidebar, find the channel that you want to rename. Click on it to open the channel. Once there, take a look at the top of the screen. You should see the channel description right next to its name. What you want to do is click on the down arrow or the settings button associated with the channel name. This will bring up a drop-down menu or an information panel, depending on your version of Slack. In this menu, you'll find the option to rename channel. Go ahead and select it. Now, a text box should appear, allowing you to edit the current channel name. This is where you can type the new name for your channel. Remember to keep it relevant and concise, as this helps the team easily understand the purpose of the channel. After typing in the new name, look for the Save button and click it to confirm the name change. Once saved, everyone in the workspace will start seeing the updated channel name immediately. Now, it's good to be aware that you can't change the channel name if the channel is a read-only one, or if it's been shared externally with another organization. Additionally, if you run into any permissions issues, you might want to check with your Slack admin, as some settings can restrict these changes. If you are an admin or have the necessary permissions, some platforms might allow more granular control over the renaming process, so you can also explore that with your admin settings. Slack is all about keeping communication streamlined and efficient. By updating channel names to better suit current projects or team structures, you ensure everyone can find information more easily and stay focused on relevant tasks. Finally, remember that clear and logical naming conventions for channels can greatly impact team productivity and communication, reducing the time people spend looking for the right place to post. So, take a moment to think about the most fitting name before making the change. Now you know how to change the name of a channel in Slack. If this video has been helpful, feel free to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your team's communication channels in Slack and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next guide.